Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have a list here, and then we are creating another list, multiplying it by 3. And then we are appending 100, and then we are printing m. So the correct output of this code is 1 to 100, 1 to 100, and 1 to 100 3 times in a list. But why that happened? Let me explain. So this is the code, and here this is the list, and then we are multiplying this list by 3. So initially this list will be like this: 1 2 1 2 and 1 2, and that too in a list. But here what happens is that L here, which is already 1 2, actually what happens is that when you replicate it 3 times, it's gonna be referencing to the same list. That means these are all L, and what happens is that when you append 100, that means 100 will be here, and automatically this will be reflected back in all of these lists. There's 100 and there's also 100. That means when you print M, this is M here, and when you print M, you will get this output